Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make money on a TikTok with Temu. So guys, before we begin, if you are not an affiliate yet, please click on my link below so you can sign up to become a Temu affiliate now and start earning some money. And now guys, with that said, once you are on Temu, just simply go ahead and tap on the search bar at the very top. And from here guys, just simply provide over here affiliate, and it will redirect you to the affiliate tab. And now in order for you to make money on TikTok, just simply scroll down guys. And from here, you should be able to see here $100 coupon bundle. And from here, just tap on share over here. And now guys, just simply go ahead and tap on the QR code over here. And now guys, from here, just simply copy the link to save the image, or you can just simply take a screenshot of these guys. And now, once you have taken a screenshot, just simply go ahead and go for your TikTok guys and simply promote this QR code. So from here, just simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom, at the middle. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to upload. And after that, just simply go for the QR code and tap on next. And from here, just simply promote your QR code. And when people scan this QR code, you'll be able to make some money. So guys, you can just simply cut the picture. And since this is just a quick tutorial, I won't be able to do much editing. But if you do, just simply go ahead and crop the picture to show the QR code. And now guys, here on the description, I recommend going back to the Temu application. From here, guys, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here share to earn. So just simply tap on this share to earn. And from here, just simply tap on copy link. And from here, just go back to TikTok. And from here, just simply paste it into the description and you will have your affiliate link as well. And you can potentially earn some money when people go to your link. So guys, just do your best to make an edited post in order for you to promote your link. So now I'm gonna post it, and from there guys, you'll be able to get people to scan your QR code. So guys, another thing I recommend is going to profile of your TikTok, and from here just tap on edit profile at the top. And after that guys, just simply provide your Temu affiliate link over here into your bio as well guys, in order for you to potentially make money on TikTok as well. So guys, as long as people go to your link, you will earn some money. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.